Presently, we are here in the site of people who flew away Nyiragongo eruption in Goma town. They are here in Munigi at Kahembe. We came in official missions with the two organizations. The first organization is Mutikwetu and the second organization is Shelpo. Mutikwetu is represented by his coordinator Elishamba, the one who is speaking, and his program manager
Kanyamugenga Tuyambaze John,
and Shelpo is represented by his coordinator Mr.
Ndeze Jafet, coordinateur de Shelpo ONG.
Now, before coming here in this site, we met first the authorities of this area. Then they told us about how people are suffering, and we said we can arrive ourselves at the site so that we may see how the situation is going on. And we found that people are suffering, they are undergoing a hard situation. People are sleeping in classrooms, they are sleeping in shelter, and they don't have anything to eat. There is no water, there is nothing that it can help them. Even the humanitarian organizations that are coming, what they bring is insufficient, and there is a tanker of water that is coming a day, and the water is a great problem. The problem of health, because in one tent there are more than 10 persons who are sleeping in it, and there are some common houses that have more than 30 families, and it is a big problem that is going to bring people to pandemic and to epidemics. So we need people may come in help of these guys, of this population that are suffering. And presently, as I said, we are at the site of Kahembe. There is another site that is in Kibati, another site that is in Kanyaruchinya. There are 3 sites. Then we need people to come in help of these people, because they don't have really anything to eat. They eat badly, and they don't have anywhere to sleep. You can see the tent they are sleeping in. Then we need people who has that availability or helping. They may come in help of these people. Thank you. This was the evaluation that made by Mutikwetu and Shelpo. Then, as I said, Mutikwetu is represented by the coordinator Elishamba and his program manager Mr.
Kanyamugenga Tuyambaze John,
and Shelpo represented by the coordinator Mr.
Ndeze Jafet
and his program manager Mr. Okay, thank you so much. Help is welcome so that we may sustain this suffering population. Thank you.